What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode and welcome back to another video. So I just want to show you guys what we're going to be looking at in order to, for example, buy a stock when we're not there, essentially, right? So mainly the reason why I use this method is because I'll just show you guys an example of last week. Last week, I had shares at about $13, right? And I wanted to add on to my shares when the price reached above $14, right? So during this time, it's usually like, I'm in school or I have something busy to do. And the reason why I love this order is because it will take care of it for you when you set your order done. So instead of the limit order allows you to sell at a price, instead of like a limit order where it says right on the bottom, buy you guys at a maximum price or lower, this is what the stop order is. So if you guys rises to a fixed price, it triggers a market buy. So you guys can kind of see from the pictures here, I don't know if you can see it, but once the graph passes the white line, boom, it will buy that. And there's a limit order and there's a stop order. So I want to show you guys the difference between limit order and stop order. So it's a nice little chart here. It has a nice little explanation. It shows you this is the stock price, and then this is your order right here. This is the white line. So when you place your order here and you're in class, right, you can't necessarily buy the shares right when it hits 14 because, you're busy, you're doing something. Well, this order fulfills it out for you. So when the stock price reaches the amount that you want to buy it at, because let's say when it hits that price, it bounces off the support line that you want it to bounce off of, and then finally you're more confident to go into the market. So that's why you want to place your order there. So let's hit continue now that we figured that out. So it says right here, trigger a market buy order if you guys rises to, let's say, it's $14.98 right now, right? So let's go to $15, right? Not 15,000. Let's go to 15.00. So the reason why I put that is because if you guys rises, if you guys rises to that price range, that means we will be looking at an order to buy shares of about whatever shares you want, right? So the market price is $14.98 and it's about $15 to buy these shares. So we want to click on continue. These are just more options. It's just asking good till market close. So that means it's just it's telling you when you want to cancel your order. And then you just hit continue, and now the order is done, everything's saved, all options are saved. So we have a stop price at $15. So now when the market reaches that price of $15, then it will fulfill our order. So that's the great part about it. So we don't even have to be there for it. Now all we have to do is type in the shares that we want, right? So let's say I want 100 shares, and that's gonna cost me about $1,500. So I click review, and then of course I don't have the buying power right now because I have my own shares that I bought. But all you guys have to click is if you guys are familiar with Robinhood, you would it would give you an option to just swipe up after this. It won't give you guys this message if you guys have that money deposited. So all you guys have to do is swipe up, and then you guys are orders fulfilled, and it will send it to the market. And all you guys have to do is just play the waiting game and wait. And this is why I love this method, because like I said, as you're in class, you're working and you just don't have time to be looking at the market, but you want to invest in it, and you think it's going to do great once it reaches that particular price, once it breaks that resistance or that support line, that barrier that you've been wanting to break the whole time, and it actually broke it, and now you got your money in place, and you don't want to be missing out on these opportunities. So that's why I'm trying to get you guys to be a little bit familiar with these types of orders. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did enjoy this video, smash that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.